What's up, you guys? It's Sarah Command from the Command Sisters. I sing and play guitar in an alt-pop sister duo signed to Universal Records, and I am so excited to be here today with MAC Cosmetics to show you the MAC Trend Oliver Suede. You guys are in for an absolute treat. These products are gorgeous, and I already have my foundation on, as you see, and my contour and my highlight right now for the camera, and we're gonna test them out together and see how they look. So I'm really excited about this, so stay tuned to see what products are in this trend. The Oliver Suede trend is absolutely gorgeous. It's all a bunch of earthy green tones, and I love that because I love a nice soft pink lip, and I just think green goes so gorgeous with that. So we're gonna try it out today, and this color is Persuade. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with the names. I don't know about you guys, but the names of the makeup that I buy plays a huge role in the decision on what I'm gonna buy, because I just feel like I embody the name of whatever shade I'm wearing. Maybe that's just me. Comment down below if you agree. Okay, so this is crazy gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna go into the shade Mo Money, Mo Problems, which I can relate to some extent. Sometimes. Some days I can relate to Mo Money, other days I cannot relate to Mo Money. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna add this into our crease. Okay, fun fact, you guys, Mo Money, Mo Problem is extremely pigmented, so you do not need a lot of this product to get a very bold look. Although if you do want to like blend it out, use a little bit less product if you want more of a subtle look. But I am literally obsessed. This will last me ages. Now we are at my favorite part of the day. We are gonna add some shimmer to this look. This is in the shade Oh So Guilty. I never feel guilty indulging in a good shimmer though, but you know, I may be guilty of other things. Oh, look at this pigment on my hand right now. And we're gonna go back to Persuade Me. I'm gonna add a little bit more in the crease. Now I'm gonna apply my brush stroke 24-hour liner. It looks like this. So I'm back. I did not want to show you guys the faces that I make when I apply eyeliners, so I went away to do that. But now we are gonna go with our iconic in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. If you guys are more all natural, which is totally okay with me, then you would maybe end this look here, just add a bit of a lip. But no, I like to go all out. I am never ever caught looking semi-natural, even when I go to the gym. So I got these MAC eyelashes that I'm really excited to try out today. These are the Goddess Lash. They are not a part of this MAC trend, but I would definitely suggest trying the MAC Cosmetics lashes if you want to add a bit more of a glam look to this. I feel like this whole video is just me being extremely excited as the look evolves. Now on to my favorite part, and I said that about probably every part, but I really do think this is my favorite part, is going to be the lip. This is green. It's going to look really good with the pink. So that's why for the Olive Suede trend, we are going to do a nice pink lip for this. I love a good lip liner. This is the shade Spice. Love it. So let's go. So I know some people use lip liner just to line their lips, but I absolutely do not. I usually put that all over my lips because when I'm performing, I want it to last the color as long as possible. So now that we have that done, I'm gonna go in with a nice lip gloss. I absolutely love the lip gloss line because I'm obsessed with lip gloss. If anybody knows me, I always have lip gloss with me. I just find it to be like both glam but also pigmented and just always makes my lips pop. So we're gonna add the shade All Things Magical. Everything's magical, you guys. These names, I'm just living for the names. So of course I gotta end the look with a nice Fix Plus. This is my Fix Plus Rose, and it smells so good. I also spray on a lot of that every day. And for the final reveal, this is the look. I am obsessed. I never knew I would love green eyeshadows so much. I think this would look beautiful with a lot of different eye colors. So I encourage you guys to try the Olive Suede MAC trend. Go check out the other MAC trends they have going on. They are so much fun. If you want to follow me and my sister, we play music, we do a lot of makeup, and we have a lot of fun with our Instagram. So you can check out our Instagram at Command Sisters, and I hope to see you there.